Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the nitty-gritty of international money transfers. Today, we're tackling how to wire money from the USA to Australia in 2025. Whether you're sending cash to family, handling business deals, or just splitting travel costs, this guide will make the process smooth and stress-free. Let's dive right in. First off, why wire money in 2025? With new regulations and tech advancements, services like Wise, PayPal, and traditional banks have made it faster and cheaper than ever. But remember, exchange rates fluctuate, so always check current rates to avoid surprises. Step 1. Choose a reliable service. Options like Wise or Revolut are popular for their low fees and real-time rates, while banks offer security but might cost more. Make sure the service is licensed and has good reviews for Australia transfers. Step 2. Gather your details. You'll need your recipient's full name, Australian bank account information, BSB code, and possibly their address. On your end, have your US bank details, ID for verification, and the amount you want to send ready to go. Step 3. Initiate the transfer. Log into your chosen services app or website, enter the recipient's info, select USD to AUD conversion, and review the fees. In 2025, many services use AI for instant estimates, so double-check everything before confirming. Step 4. Confirm and track. After sending, you'll get a transaction ID. Most transfers take 1 to 3 business days, but keep an eye out for any holds due to anti-money laundering checks. Pro tip. Use secure connections and two-factor authentication to protect your data. Finally, once it's done, notify your recipient and celebrate a job well done. Always be aware of potential taxes or additional charges in Australia. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more finance tips. If you have questions, drop them in the comments below. See you next time.